Hi, welcome to Career Guide. Today I am going to discuss about current affairs from May 16 to May 24. Please watch this video until end. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. If you want to give any suggestions, please keep in comment box. So, next coming to introduction, today I am going to discuss about international news, national news, business news and science and technology news. First, coming to international news, Joe Biden announces extra 20 million US vaccines doses for other countries. Israel says Gaza tunnels destroyed in heavy airstrikes. At UN, India supports Palestine but without specifics. US wants to avoid a militarization of the Arctic. Blinken says. US Supreme Court throws abortion fight into center of midterms. Israeli-Palestinian conflict, Biden expresses support for ceasefire in Netanyahu call. Joe Biden, Kamala Harris release tax return restoring tradition Trump broke. Tesla's full self-driving review in US. US to waive sanctions on firm behind Russia's Nord Stream 2. Biden seeks significant de-escalation on Palestinian situation. US to work closely with COVAX to allocate 80 million vaccine doses. Bitcoin slides below $40,000 after China's fresh crypto curbs. What Beijing new crackdown means for crypto in China. Chinese regulators have tightened restrictions that ban financial institutions and payment companies from providing service related to cryptocurrency, making a fresh crackdown on digital coins. Facebook top VR executive kits ahead of smart glass launch. China successfully launches new ocean observation satellite. BBC reporter Martin Bashir used deceit to get 1995 Diana interview. Twitter restores account verification after 3 years. World's biggest iceberg breaks off from Antarctica, says ESA. Singapore asks social media giants to issue correction notice on virus strain. Martha Koome appointed Kenya's first woman Chief Justice. US has provided over 500 million in COVID relief to India. EU finalizes deal with Pfizer BioNTech for 1.8 billion doses. UN Rights Council to hold session on Israel-Palestine on May 27th. India invited to join G7 Health Minister Summit virtually, UK government says. Sri Lankan Parliament passes controversial bill on China-backed port city. China offers 3 billion COVID-19 aid vaccines for developing countries. Turkey says WhatsApp will drop data collection update after probe. Cryptocurrency sell-off flags US inflation fears. KP Oli clings to power even as Nepal president dissolves parliament. Jiang Yiming, ticking clock for China's tech gains. He wrote on May 20 announcing he was stepping down as CEO, the extraordinary successful 180 billion tech gain. China's father of hybrid rice, who revolutionized agriculture, Yan Longping dies at 91. Biden, South Korea's Moon Jae-in, deeply concerned about North Korea. President Joe Biden announced he will deploy a new special envoy to the region to help refocus efforts on pressing Pyongyang to abandon its nuclear weapons program. No access to images of our nuclear sites, Iran says. Lithuania quits divisive China group. Samoa in crisis as elected leader locked out of parliament. Indigenous woman Cindy Kiro named New Zealand's next Governor General. Boris Johnson sets wedding date. Nepal urges US to provide vaccines on priority basis. Coming to national news, black fungus cases in KIMS. Biocon chief bats for highly decentralized vaccination policy. Jalajeevan mission central share of 451 crore sanctioned to Kerala. Second consignment of Sputnik V vaccine arrives in Hyderabad. Extending gap between Covishield doses scientific. The decision to delay the second dose of Covishield vaccine up to 16 weeks was not due to a shortage. It was based on scientific evidence. Oxygen audit panel set up in all hospitals. GST Council meet poses the first challenge before the new Finance Minister of Kerala. Government declares mucormycosis as a notifiable disease. US has provided over $500 million in COVID relief to India. Income Tax Department to launch new e-filing portal for taxpayers on June 7th. Social Justice Ministry to give financial aid to trans people. 6 UNESCO heritage sites added in India. Natco Pharma gets US FDA nod for 2 products. Sharp fall in MGNREGS workers in Kerala. Mathematician MS Narasimhan passes away. Nepal president dissolves parliament. Jaishankar to meet Blinken UN chief during US visit. Pan Asia Biotech begins production of Sputnik V vaccine. Surge in rural areas, government to focus on door-to-door testing. India to push for Covaxin recognition by WHO and EU. Next, coming to business news. Airtel offers free recharge pack to low-income customers. Cairn identifies 70 billion Indian assets for ceasing to recover amount due from government. Facebook faces prospect of devastating data transfer ban after Irish ruling. WPI soars to 10.5% in April. WhatsApp installs fall over 40% as users downloaded rival apps. Shilpa Medicare arm to make Sputnik V vaccine. Natco Pharma signs pact with Eli Lilly for baricitinib. Sichuan resumes cargo flights, brings relief to pharma firms. AT&T spins off media via 43 billion discovery deal. India's PC market records highest ever first quarter shipment. Tata Motors lost narrows to 7,585 crore on improved sales. Tesla tail of woes in US and China. Adani Green Energy to acquire SP Energy India from SoftBank Bharti in 3.5 billion deal. Royal Enfield to recall about 2.37 lakh motorcycles. BDR Pharma ties up Lilly for COVID-19 drug. Government raises 4,000 crore from Axis Bank stake sale. Bharat Biotech Gujarat arm to make Covaxin. Cipla launches RT-PCR test kit Virajan in India partnership with Ubio Biotech. Das tells PSBs to implement RBI measures. Indigo opts for LEAP 1A engines to power fleet. Hindalco Q4 net profit triples to 1928 crore. New insurance FDI rules a mixed bag for foreign investors. RBI board approves transfer of 99,122 crore as surplus to government. LG Equipments boosts capacity threefold to manufacture oxygen plant compressors. Breach of Air India data poses litigation risk for airline, expert says. Small businesses need more time for GST compliances. We may double exports in financial year 2022, says Duroflex MD Mathu Chandi. Pan Asia Biotech begins production of Sputnik V vaccine. India's demand for tech is nearly doubled in last 14 months. Coming to science and technology, Space Shuttle endeavors many successful endeavors. Water released from Amaravati Dam for irrigation. Plasma therapy has limited effect in COVID-19 patients, study says. Biden revokes Trump order that sought to limit social media films productions. ICMR drops plasma therapy from COVID-19 treatment guidelines. To Mars and beyond, China space missions. WhatsApp to offer end-to-end encryption on chat backups. Now you can use Microsoft Teams to connect with friends and family. Reliance Jio joins global consortium to build undersea cable network. France embraces Google Microsoft in quest to safeguard sensitive data. Tech firms have a moral duty to explain how their algorithms make decisions. IISc startup gets regulatory approvals for new COVID-19 test. Kerala Agricultural University mobile app for farmers gets a facelift. Government enhances DAP fertilizer subsidy. Apple made more than 100 million in commissions from Fortnite. Twitter ditches image cropping AI after finding racial gender bias. Blood parameters of Tibetans alter with attitude, CCMB study says. Amazon faces 5 new racial gender bias lawsuits. China delays supply mission while NASA congratulations on Mars images. 5 companies approved to make amphoterician B. US regulator signals stronger risk tax oversight for cryptocurrencies. Zoom launches platform to host large virtual events. Hong Kong to restrict crypto exchanges to professional investors. Invasive species costing Africa 3.6 trillion a year. BRICS Astronomy Working Group moves to networking of existing telescopes. The BRICS Astronomy Working Group has recommended networking of telescopes in member countries and creating a regional data network. Apple offers new features for people with disabilities. China says Martian rover takes first drive on surface of red planet. Should pregnant and lactating women and children be vaccinated against COVID-19? The country is yet to study the safety and efficacy of two existing vaccines in the pediatric population. Kerala farmer Shaji Ennam backs India Biodiversity Award 2021. CDC studying heart inflammation in some young vaccine recipients. Herbal preparation has no side effects, says TTD Ayurvedic experts. Researchers find new multi-drug resistant bacteria in scat of wine snake. Virgin Galactic rocket ship ascends from New Mexico. WHO says more information required from Bharat Biotech for emergency use listing of Covaxin. 1 in 10 Indians have thyroid problems, says doctor. Microsoft rolls out security remote access update. These are the current affairs from May 16 to May 24. Thank you.